คะ
Scare him.
He's chewing up a box.
Yeah, that's normal, isn't it?
He likes this box, doesn't he?
He likes to chew anything.
Ooh. Oh, you are a bully. Go away.
Every toy in this house is Bilbo's, Jamie.
Hello there. Aren't you cute? Mm. Mm. Are you a superstar? Yes, you are.